Spokesperson Priyanka Kakkar has slammed the central government, saying that they have imposed hefty taxes, which has led to economic showdown, whereas Arvind Kejriwal has given a scheme which provides free electricity, better education and free health care, which in turn saves citizens 25,000 rupees per month. She also insisted, saying that Arvind Kejriwal will give any such guarantees in the future as well, which will save an additional 10,000 rupees per month. Let's now listen into that.
कि केंद्र सरकार ने बहुत मोटे मोटे टैक्स लगा दिए हैं, लोगों के हाथ में पैसे नहीं बचे खर्चने को, जिससे पूरा इकोनॉमिक स्लो डाउन हो रहा है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने एक ऐसा मॉडल दिया है जिसमें हर महीने 25,000 की बचत होती है, चाहे फ्री बिजली से हो, चाहे फ्री पानी से हो, चाहे फ्री बस यात्रा से हो, चाहे फ्री इलाज से हो या फिर फ्री शिक्षा से हो, बच्चों की शिक्षा से। इससे आपका 25,000 ऑलरेडी बचता है। आने वाले समय के लिए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने गारंटी दी है 2100 रुपए प्रति महीना प्रति महिला की, संजीवनी योजना की, और हर छात्र के बस यात्रा के फ्री ट्रैवल की, और छात्रों के लिए मेट्रो में 50% कंसेशन के लिए। ये सबसे भी मिनिमम 10,000 और बचेगा।
My colleague Shubrana is there with me on the broadcast. Shub, just a day after the union budget has been announced and politics, in fact, has continued to take the center stage, with now the Aam Aadmi Party alleging that the budget that has been announced is not for the common or the middleman, alleging that the central government has imposed hefty taxes, which the Aam Aadmi Party, Priyanka Kakkar, as she says, are going to relieve them of to provide them a better and in fact at ease tax imposition. Shub, what are the latest details that you can share with me?
Yes, definitely, Simran, because this is not the first time when Aam Aadmi Party has been slamming the Bharatiya Janata Party and the central government, but also the Aam Aadmi Party national convener Arvind Kejriwal have also slammed the tax policy which has been introduced by the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman. And he have said that there has been no word about MSP, due to which farmers are protesting. He have also said that if these policies doesn't ensure many employment opportunities as well, whereas the chief spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, Priyanka Kakkar, have also slammed the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that the economic growth has been slowing down in the BJP period. And also, if Arvind Kejriwal's government came into power, every middleman can, save up to 25,000 rupees, because they have, provided free facility of the schools, of the buses. And also they are saying that if they come to power, students will also get concession while traveling through metro or through the bus. This is what Priyanka Kakkar says. Also, they have slammed the budget, saying that this budget is not for the middleman. This budget is only for the few millionaire friends of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes, back to you.
All right, Shub, thank you very much.